Hi everyone, welcome back to Code Arena. Today we'll design a portfolio web design in Figma. Open figma.com and click on the Drafts Plus button and click on the design file. Title the design file to Portfolio Web Design. Click on the frame icon and choose a desktop frame. As we are designing a landing page, we have to increase the height to 60 to 82 px. And set this dark blue color to it. Now we will see the navbar and its detailing. This is the name of the website, which has Open Sans font family, semi-bold font weight and 24 pixels of font size and pure white color. This is the rest of the navbar, which has these all details you can see. Let's write the heading now. We'll write, I'm a full stack web developer, and we will keep the font weight to bold. Keep the text aligned to center. We have a little sentence which says your name. Keep it above the main heading. Now let's see the subheading details. Now we are going to add a button called Schedule Call. Let's see the details. Button text. Font, Urbanist. Font weight, medium. Font size, 18 px. Font color, black. Here are the details of the rectangle. Color, white. Inner shadow. Y, 14. Blur, 36. Color, 00 to be 25, 20%. Now let's keep going forward real quick. Now we will simply write 15-minute strategy call, which will help the people to know how many minutes would be there, and you can see the details real quick. And now, this is a very cute background gradient that we are adding, which has 3 circles to it. You can get the circles from the shape tool, and the first circle is of blue color with 43% of opacity, the second circle is for red color with the same opacity, and the third one is yellow with 263 pixels of layer blur, right? It's easy, right? Now, we have a dotted grid in the background. You can get the dotted grid from the Figma community by searching for free. Now, we will upload a photo real quick. Keep in center. Now, we will make a circle from the shape tool and give this color and do the layer blur. White color. Keep it beside the image. And now, we will add the logos beside the image real quick. Now, we will make a circle from the shape tool and give this color and do the layer blur. Same to others. Done. This was just one section. Now, if you want this design file, check out the description to get this whole landing page. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching.